You won't believe how many people have successfully dyed their black hair blonde. This trend is growing more and more popular by the day. And guess what? It's super easy to do. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your black hair into beautiful blonde hair. The best part is this technique works for all hair types. So make sure you stay tuned until the end, so you don't miss out on any important tips.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Diary of a Hair Lover, a channel where you get to learn more about hair styling, hair care products, hair installation, and many more. Do where to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section if this is your first time of seeing my video so I can give you a shout out in my next video.
I want to start off with a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that over 50 million people around the world have dyed their hair blonde in the past year alone? That's an incredible number, and it shows just how popular this trend has become. But wait, there's more. Recent studies suggest that the global hair dye market is expected to reach a value of over $13 billion by 2025. And you guessed it right. Blonde hair dye is leading this trend. People are going crazy over transforming their black hair into stunning shades of blonde. Now, you might be thinking, why is everyone going blonde? Well, it's simple. Going blonde can completely change the way you look. It can make you appear younger, more vibrant, and full of life. Plus, it's a great way to express yourself and add some fun to your look. But it's not just about aesthetics. Studies have shown that people with lighter hair tend to be perceived as more attractive and successful. So it's no wonder that so many people are dyeing their hair blonde. However, going blonde isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Especially if you have black hair. That's where things can get a little tricky. You see, black hair has a lot of pigment, which means it can be tough to lift two lighter shades without causing damage. Not to mention that color-treated hair tends to fade faster than natural hair. So how do you go blonde without all the bad stuff? Fret not, my friend. I got you covered. Today I am going to show you a technique that will help you achieve the perfect blonde highlights without any damage or fading. It is a method that IVA developed over years of experience as a professional hairstylist, and I couldn't wait to share it with you. All you need are 2 ingredients, and trust me, you won't regret it. So let's jump right into it. The first step is to wash your hair with a clarifying shampoo. This is important because it will remove any product buildup on your scalp or hair strands. Product buildup can prevent the blonde dye from developing properly, so it's essential to have a clean canvas to work with. Once your hair is clean and dry, it's time to apply the star of our show, the bleach powder. Start by putting on gloves and mixing the bleach powder with the developer in a non-metal bowl. Be sure to use a color brush or applicator bottle to ensure an even application. If you're not comfortable working with bleach, I recommend seeking help from a professional stylist. Working with bleach can be tricky, and if not done properly, it can cause serious damage to your hair. Now let's talk about the right products to use. For this technique, you'll need 2 main components, bleach powder and developer. The bleach powder contains the active ingredients that will lift the pigment from your hair strands, and the developer is a peroxide-based solution that activates the bleach powder. It's important to choose the right combination of bleach powder and developer for your hair type. If you have coarse or thick hair, you may need a stronger developer to lift the pigment effectively. However, if you have fine or thin hair, you may need a weaker developer to prevent breakage. Another important tip is to section off your hair before applying the bleach. This will make it easier to manage your hair and ensure that you get an even application. Use clips to keep the sections secure and out of the way while you work. It's also important to apply the bleach in a thin, even layer from root to tip. Avoid saturating your hair too much with the bleach mixture, as this can lead to dryness and breakage. Once you've applied the bleach to all the sections of your hair, put on a shower cap and let it sit for the recommended amount of time. This is crucial for lifting the pigment effectively, without causing damage. The processing time will vary depending on your hair type and the desired level of lift. While the bleach is processing, take this time to prepare your hair for the next step. Rinse your hair thoroughly with cool water to stop the bleaching process. Now, it's time to apply the purple shampoo. This will help neutralize any brassiness and give your hair a cool blonde tone. Leave the purple shampoo in for the recommended amount of time. Then rinse it out and finish with a moisturizing conditioner. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Let's reveal the final result. Take a look at these before and after shots, and let us know what you think in the comments below. We can't wait to hear your thoughts. Going from black hair to blonde hair is a big change, and it's essential to take care of your hair during the transition. That's why we've included some extra tips to help you maintain your new blonde locks. First, invest in a good quality color depositing conditioner. These conditioners contain pigments that will help maintain the vibrancy of your blonde hair over time. Use a color depositing conditioner once a week to keep your hair looking fresh and bright. Another important tip is to use a dry shampoo to absorb any excess oil on your scalp. This will help prolong the time between your washes and keep your hair looking clean and fresh. Just be sure to choose a dry shampoo that is suitable for blonde hair to avoid any unwanted color changes. We understand that going blonde can be a daunting task, especially if you have black hair. That's why we've put together a comprehensive guide to help you through the process. In our guide, we'll cover everything from choosing the right products to maintaining your new blonde hair. So be sure to check it out. As you can see, transforming your black hair into a stunning blonde doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right technique, products, and aftercare routine, you can achieve the blonde of your dreams without any damage or fading. Remember to choose the right bleach powder and developer for your hair type. Apply the bleach in thin, even layers, and use a purple shampoo to neutralize any breaks. By following these simple steps, you can achieve a beautiful blonde transformation that will have everyone envious. But that's not all. Maintaining your blonde hair is just as important as achieving it. That's why we've included some extra tips to help you keep your hair looking its best. By investing in a color depositing conditioner and using a dry shampoo, you can keep your blonde hair vibrant and long-lasting. Now it's time to put your hair knowledge to the test. Leave a comment below, letting us know which hair color you're currently rocking. And don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing for more amazing content. Thanks for watching and happy coloring.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do want to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget, if this is your first time of seeing my video, let me know in the comment section so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Bye.